Hey guys, welcome to SCM Events Cars and Coffee Morning at Nitron headquarters in collaboration with Club Sport Garage.
Hi guys, we're here today for SCM's car meet at Nitron Factory. They've got a few guests out on factory tours throughout the day, but we're going to go chat to some of the guests about the cars that they brought with them today.
And then we've also done the Nordschleife as well, which I just literally stayed to the right-hand side and kept out of everyone's way because it was very scary.
So what's the sort of top speed that you'll get in this car?
Some are geared up to 240 miles an hour.
Have you ever reached that?
No. No, you can only do 70 miles an hour on the road.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's a bit of a surprise when people come to see it. So
Yeah, and you're saying you do drifting and that with it as well?
anything cheap.
Took it down for the 50th celebration of Ferrari, the Dino. Me and my son, we drove down to Modena in it.
Oh, amazing.
Yeah, it was cool.
And what drew you to this particular car?
Central driving position.
Okay.
That was it. I've had some nice cars through the years, but I still love driving this, even 2.5 years later.
Nice. Does it get a bit cosy with the passengers when they come in?
Yeah, they're, as you can see with the, if you look inside, they are sat back slightly, so it can be a little bit cosy, but they're not right up against your shoulders, so it doesn't feel as bad when you're driving.
Question for you: you're road tripping.
Yeah.
What is the tune that you're blasting out of the car? Not
The
this
exhaust
one,
pipe.
but what was playing today?
What was playing today?
Don't know. It was the Spice Girls. Spice Girls, everyone. Give us a little karaoke.
No.